I have the honor to stand here at a unique place where Marita and Bernard, they're the founding parents, if I can say it like this. The uniqueness of this is these guys are working around the clock to develop bicycles to make sure we got enough sun. I think according to statistics, we got approximately 3,600 hours sun per annum, which is a lot. And Marita, you guys are capitalizing on that. But let's start at the beginning. Yes. Where are you started? Where did you start? Tell us.
Well, we started in 2015, so it's been more than 7 years now. But we thought this, we saw the problem of Namibians spending a lot of money on transport, public transport almost non-existent, and the fact, of course, that we are all trying to be more sustainable and protect the environment.
Yeah.
So then we thought, why do Namibians not use bicycles?
Yeah.
And then we thought, okay, first we are quite lazy, second it's hot, and thirdly there are other factors at play like costs.
Yeah.
So why wouldn't trying to put a bike on the road might be a bit of a challenge. Why don't we put an electric bike on the road that is a little bit like a motorbike, but like a bicycle? So we started in 2015, we bought the first model in. Bernard actually built it in his garage. So yes, we brought it in, we tested it. It went slowly in the beginning, but it started picking slowly, and this is where we are today.
Bernard, where did the idea start? I just heard that you started your garage. Where did the idea start? What made you say, I want to do this?
When you open your eyes, you see quite a few obvious problems that our global world, our global society is facing. And access to affordable mobility is definitely one of the fundamentals for a sustainable development and justice in a social structure. And e-bikes is also nothing new. I mean, electric two-wheelers are out there since 110 years now. I mean, the reason why it takes off is because it's the most affordable way of moving. It's way cheaper than even a petrol bike. And this is why it's so popular. And we thought, why not making this technology available for underserved communities, using the sun, since it's quite a lot here.
Marita, what is the target market? Who do you want to target, and where do you want to see you in, let's say, 5, 10, 12 years from now?
No, the target market is quite diverse actually. So it starts with the commuter, and then it moves way into conservation initiatives, game guards, for example, ecotourism. There's the private person that wants to cycle for leisure. So the market is really diverse. The latest thing we've added now is the cargo bike though, which makes it, even a bigger, caters to an even bigger market, because you can actually start doing business on your bike now. It's a little bit of a shop on wheels. So I think that's why Bernard and I, over the past 7 years, started thinking a little bit, we needed to get out of the box thinking, not only get a finished product into the country, but actually start building our own bikes. And your question in terms of future is definitely local manufacturing. That we've now started this year, full swing. It's going really great. So we're very positive about the future.
In Namibia, for Namibia, by Namibia, and that is the guys that you guys training behind me now.
Exactly.
But no, it's for Africa.
For Africa.
Not only Namibia.
But remember, I'm a Namibian, but Namibia first, Africa second.
Exactly.
That is very unique. Marita, if we take it better back, I mean, obviously it was not an easy start.
We started thinking a little bit in terms of who would know already what electric mobility is and who would be interested in using what we have available. So that's why we went into tourism, ecotourism, because people coming from Europe, they know electric bicycles. They want to be on the ground. They want to feel the wind in their hair, that kind of thing. So we started with ecotourism, branched into conservation, anti-poaching units. And then COVID happened, changed everything again. And we started coming back into Vintu because we couldn't leave. And we did deliveries, and then slowly the commuter market started realizing that there's a benefit of using a bicycle.
Awesome,
So now we're back into our commuter market, but that's sort of the process how we developed and where we started.
If you want to know more, you are more than welcome to contact Marita. Where can they contact you guys?
They can contact us, just find us under e-bikes for Africa. We are on all social platforms. They can visit us in our workshop in Katatura or at the CBD at the Nedbank head office. Or they can contact us on 085 333 1234. Easy.
And a call from my side, from Media Namibia, if you see any cyclists on the road, remember they are human beings. They also got the right to bicycles or the road usage. Please be patient, be cautious, be tolerant, because end of the day, their lives is just as important as ours. I am Frans Lottering, Media Namibia, Vintu.